10 Experiences you should gain in your 30s for a more successful business life. The most important element that cannot be gained through education in business life is the experience gained by working in different positions in one or more sectors over the past years. But experience is not gained just by working. There are countless experiences to be had to achieve success, and these are of great importance for both personal and business life. 1. To better understand nature, people, and ourselves. Social responsibility. Social responsibility has the power to both change and transforms those who enter it. Thanks to social responsibility projects, you see how small the world is. Over time, you realize that your perspective on events changes, your perspective expands, and you can empathize. 2. Reverse mentoring. Reverse mentoring can be defined as mentoring someone older than oneself. Young people are open-minded, they can instantly adapt to future technologies. The new generation, born into the latest technologies, can access information faster in this medium, as well as know better which information is more useful and where to find the desired information easily. Another benefit of reverse mentoring is that it brings people of different generations closer together. Reverse mentoring eliminates the definition of us and them and enables two-way communication. Reverse mentoring is a frequently used solution, especially for the promotion of the Y generation and the integration of the X generation into digital transformation. Try it. 3. Start something you can inherit. Being able to leave a legacy, to be remembered after death, is one of the things idealistic people want most. Many successful people have left their mark on the world. Even when your physical existence ends, being able to leave something to the world, to humanity, to your family, to your grandchildren is something worth thinking about. 4. Doing business with your opponent is not that scary. No matter what your competitors are competing with for the same target audience, you need to work together and acknowledge their presence. Your competitors may approach problems from different perspectives than you do, depending on their age, gender, and views. It is not professional to belittle, despise, or ignore them. Benefit from their ideas, perspectives, and experiences. 5. Have a good time with employees at all levels of the company. Communication is one of the most important features that distinguish us from all other beings and makes us superior. Communication is first and foremost a human need and experience. Witnessing the perspectives, lives, approaches, attitudes, and behaviors of people working in an institution, regardless of their authority and position, contains valuable experiences for your long-term goals within the company. 6. Strategy, not escape. Build a second career. It's exhausting to feel like you're running out from time to time on a single career journey. 2 careers are always better than 1. It will also add to your primary business that you cannot imagine. You can define where ideas interact while working on different jobs. You can exchange ideas interdisciplinary. When you follow your curiosities and passions, many opportunities will open up and you will be more satisfied. 7. Try again something you failed before. Failure is just a moment, a result. So it's a temporary situation. It is not a way of life that cannot or will not change. If you want success, you must not be afraid of falling and be determined until the end. Review whatever you think you have failed today, despairing, saying I gave up, I'm tired, I can't do it. Maybe that day didn't happen, but why not today? Unleash your inner strength and self-belief to achieve it. 8. Professional support lets you see what you can't see about yourself. Concrete goals such as I will be successful at this, I will be a manager at this company require strategy, efficiency, and more self-exploration. At this point, never hesitate to get professional support. Professional support can be different about your job and yourself, such as life coaching, career coaching, executive coaching, training coaching. Coaching, which is becoming more and more widespread all over the world, continues to form the basis of important success stories day by day. Take professional support seriously to solve problems and adopt a growth-oriented lifestyle, both individually and in your career journey. 9. Share your knowledge on a subject you are good at with people. If possible, put your knowledge in your area of expertise into the training form and share it with people. Teaching requires informational responsibility. Preparing for the training and having the experience of giving training allows you to see how in-depth knowledge you have in the related field and makes it easier to realize the areas you lack. 10. International network creates valuable opportunities. Considering that 70% of the business partnerships established every day are realized through the network, there is no need to discuss the importance of the network anymore. Your social circle is often self-contained. But in the real world, there is a huge interconnected network of small networks. To enter this giant network, you should not be limited to your business environment and country, but you should open up to the whole world.